Volkswagen T-Roc, the smallest SUV they have at the moment. I say at the moment because more than likely a up crossover is coming soon as well. I'm assuming because people want SUVs so much. And just like the Seat Arona's LEDs, I really like these LEDs as well. And Volkswagen went for something a little bit different. Instead of having the daylight LEDs in the actual lights, they're now down here. And the blinkers look pretty awesome as well. So, T-Roc, an interesting name whose origins are far too philosophical for me. I can only tell you the letter T stands for the car having the Tiguan's and Touaregs DNA in its metallic blood, while Roc stands for the rock genre. This is then Tiguan's mischievous younger cousin. Now, there's something very interesting going on at the back of this car. What does this rear remind you of? A Volkswagen? I think the engineers might have swapped the papers by mistake with a different badge. What was it called? Oh yeah, a Porsche. A Porsche Macan. I really like that. Volkswagen is proud of the dynamic shapes of their new mini SUV. I usually give out a tired sigh and shake my head in disapproval when listening to PR stuff, but I have to agree with them here. It looks fantastic. T-Roc offers front and all-wheel drive, while the engine choice goes like this. Petrol is currently winning with a 3-cylinder 1-liter 85 kilowatt motor, a 1.5-liter 110 kilowatt or 150 horsepower one, and a range-topping 2-liter 140 kilowatt engine. Only a 2-liter 110 kilowatt diesel is currently available, but it will soon be joined by a 140 kilowatt one. Digital instruments behind the steering wheel and a big infotainment screen push the T-Roc towards the future. The model I previewed featured a sport package, which means red brake calipers and good-looking white-lined seats, which give the interior a good contrast overall. Well, now I sound like a philosophical PR person. Don't forget the panoramic roof and the ambient lighting on the doors. People gazed at this car as if their eyes were glued to its chassis. Yes, it's a new model, but part of the reason is also that it looks great. I had the opportunity to see another T-Roc drive behind me, and I have to say the decision to put the daylight LEDs and blinkers below the headlights was brilliant. It really gives the car a more playful overall feel. The base T-Roc starts at just under 19,000 euros, while the top-of-the-line version with the most powerful petrol engine costs 43,000 euros. And I will be testing this car more thoroughly on our channel soon.